you were given a chance
to bring one significant change in our country,
what would it be and why?
ਦੋ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ, ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਗਰੀਬੀ ਕਿ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਬਦਲਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਦੂਸਰੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਇਮਾਨਦਾਰੀ।
Education system which is changing from so many years, and like they are not particular about the system which they want to consider exactly with our year.
In the question of education, the man who attends the lectures as well as mugs the study material is king. So I think this should be changed so that our education system comes on par with the other countries.
In our country, very less importance is given to soldiers and people who fight for the country truly.
I would want to change the traffic rules of our country.
I would like to say on BMC things and all, they are just ruining everything. Because of them, we are unable to drive properly.
Monsoon times, the roads are completely damped and no place to drive or to walk. Everywhere you see potholes, and which isn't good for our country.
Make a clause that if anybody dies, that contractor has to pay money.
I seriously feel the need for a better judicial system.
The medical system has become more of a commercialization in India. The doctors should be given proper licenses to give treatment.
Politicians in our country, because they are really getting corrupted day by day, and the black money, the inflow of the black money is too much.
मिनिस्टर के इलेक्शन के लिए जो मिनिस्टर के कुर्सी पे बैठते हैं, उनके लिए कोई भी कायदे कानून नहीं है, कोई भी क्वालिफिकेशन रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है।
The politicians should be qualified to get students understand to their capacity.
I would like to change the growing inhumanity between the people.
आजकल का ये जो माहौल है, खासकर लेडीज़ों के प्रति,
Women are the ones who are coming up in every field, name it art, science, commerce, or even business.
Respect for girls in this country people have. They should understand that girls are also equally important as men are.
I want to change people's thought, their old thinking, because this is the only thing which is stopping our country to move ahead.
government should place some dustbins after every kilometer so that our country becomes a clean country.
The utilization of tax, which is not being utilized where it should be, and more of youngsters should take part in the politics.
We've blamed enough of our politicians and bureaucracy and the system, but it's time that we change.
अब सिर्फ एक ही एक्शन होगा, पब्लिक का डायरेक्ट एक्शन।